Welcome to our journey through Portugal, where history echoes in every cobblestone street and golden beaches collide with rugged cliffs. In this video, we're exploring the top spots to visit in Portugal. Think vibrant cities with trams rolling past ancient castles, riverside charm paired with world-class wine, and fairy tale palaces perched in misty hills. We'll chase stunning coastlines, wander through lush islands, and uncover hidden gems like Roman ruins and eerie bone chapels. From rolling vineyards to breathtaking viewpoints, this place has it all. Whether you're into history, nature, or just seeking adventure, stick with us. Let's hit the road. Number 1. Medea. Medea takes the top spot with its breathtaking cliffs, where a glass skywalk juts out over the ocean, offering jaw-dropping views. Lush green trails snake through subtropical forests, dotted with cascading waterfalls that beg to be filmed. The old town charms with colorful streets blooming with flowers, radiating a lively vibe. Unique levada walks, old irrigation channels turned into scenic paths, blend adventure with stunning scenery. It's a paradise of rugged coastlines and verdant hills, perfect for capturing nature's best. This island's visual splendor sets the stage for an unforgettable exploration of Portugal's finest destinations. Number 2. Azores. The Azores steal the spotlight with their volcanic landscapes and emerald green calderas. Picture steaming hot springs bubbling in furnace, paired with the serene beauty of twin lakes nestled in ancient craters. Salmigos' rugged coastlines and hydrangea-lined trails offer endless scenic shots. Whale watching in the Atlantic adds a thrilling edge, perfect for action footage. The quiet charm of towns like Ponta Delgada, with their black and white stone streets, brings a timeless feel. This archipelago's raw, untouched beauty and island allure make it a standout gem in Portugal's crown. Number 3. Algarve. The Algarve shines with its golden beaches and dramatic cliffs that hug the Atlantic. Think hidden sea caves carved into towering rock faces, accessible only by boat, and turquoise waters lapping at sandy coves. Towns like Lagos buzz with laid-back charm, while rugged trails along the coast offer sweeping ocean views. Capture the sun setting over jagged rock formations for a cinematic glow. Fishing villages, the shore, serving fresh seafood that's a feast for the senses. This sun-soaked region blends natural beauty with a relaxed vibe, making it a Portugal must-see. Number 4. Douro Valley. The Douro Valley mesmerizes with its terraced vineyards cascading down steep hillsides, cradling the winding river below. Golden sunlight bathes the slopes, perfect for sweeping shots of this wine country masterpiece. River cruises glide through the serene waters, offering intimate views of quaint villages clinging to the banks. Hilltop lookouts reveal endless rows of vines, a testament to centuries of winemaking. Taste the region's famed port wine in rustic cellars, pure authenticity. This landscape, carved by nature and human hands, blends beauty and tradition into a Portugal highlight you can't miss. Number 5. Sintra. Sintra enchants with its misty hills and whimsical palaces perched like jewels in a fairy tale. Vibrant, colorful castles rise above lush forests, their spires piercing the fog. Ancient Moorish ruins loom atop rugged peaks, whispering history. Winding paths lead through gardens bursting with exotic plants, a feast for the eyes. The town below hums with charm, narrow streets and pastel houses tucked into the greenery. It's a blend of nature and fantasy, where every corner begs to be captured. This magical escape near the capital makes it a Portugal standout. Number 6. Cascais. Cascais dazzles with its chic seaside charm, where golden beaches meet a glittering bay. Once a fishing village, it now blends old-world allure with upscale vibes. Think colorful boats bobbing beside sleek yachts. Stroll the cobblestone streets of the historic center, framed by pastel buildings and lively cafes. Rugged cliffs at Boca do Inferno churn with crashing waves, a raw contrast to the calm shores. Bike paths hug the coast, leading to wild, wind-swept dunes. This coastal gem near the capital offers a mix of relaxation and beauty, perfect for Portugal's spotlight. Number 7. National Pantheon. The National Pantheon stands as a majestic tribute to the nation's heroes, its grand dome piercing the skyline of the capital. This architectural marvel, with its white marble facade, looms over the riverfront, exuding timeless elegance. Inside, soaring arches and intricate details frame the tombs of legendary figures, explorers, poets, and leaders. Climb to the terrace for panoramic views of the city and water beyond, a perfect shot for any visitor. Originally a church, its unfinished history adds intrigue. This monument blends beauty, legacy, and quiet reverence, making it a Portugal essential. Number 8. Penedagres National Park. Penedagres National Park sprawls across untamed mountains, where granite peaks tower over deep valleys. Crystal clear rivers carve through lush forests, feeding waterfalls that tumble into serene pools. Ancient stone villages, the landscape, their rustic charm frozen in time. Hiking trails wind past wild horses and hidden Roman ruins, offering raw, rugged beauty. The park's solitude and sweeping vistas, think misty ridges and golden plains, make it a nature lover's dream. As the country's only national park, it's a pristine escape that showcases Portugal's wild heart, perfect for an off-the-grid adventure. Number 9. Sanctuary of Fatima. The Sanctuary of Fatima draws visitors to its vast, open plaza framed by a striking, modern structure and a towering monument. The serene atmosphere invites quiet reflection, with its clean lines and expansive grounds offering a peaceful escape. Nearby, charming villages and rolling hills add a scenic backdrop, perfect for wide shots. The site's sleek architecture contrasts with the natural beauty surrounding it, creating a unique blend of old and new. Easily accessible from the capital, this destination stands out for its calm beauty and cultural weight, a must-see on Portugal's map. Number 10. Nazaré. Nazaré captivates with its wild waves and cliff-top charm, perched along a sweeping crescent beach. Towering swells crash against the shore, drawing surfers to record breaking feats, ideal for thrilling footage. The old town clings to the bluffs, its whitewashed houses and narrow streets glowing against the sea. A funicular links the sandy coast to stunning lookout points, offering panoramic ocean views. Colorful fishing boats bob in the harbor, nodding to its maritime roots. This coastal gem blends raw nature with quaint beauty, making it a standout stop on Portugal's rugged western edge. Portugal's treasures, from cliff-lined coasts to misty hilltop palaces, paint a vivid tapestry of beauty and history. Whether chasing waves, wandering ancient trails, or savoring scenic valleys, this journey reveals a land that captivates at every turn. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and let Portugal's charm steal the show.